The issue of statutory vehicle inspections and whether your vehicle needs one or not is something that matters both at a legal level and at a practical level. When buying a car, it is natural to assume that the vehicle falls into one of two categories. Either the vehicle is brand new or relatively new and as such probably does not require a statutory vehicle inspection. It will normally have some type of manufacturer's guarantee that will cover parts and labor for a specified period of time. There may well be a dealership deal in addition to the manufacturer's help that may extend the guarantee over a period of time, or may extend it in different ways such as to include breakdown insurance or optional windscreen cover etc. The second category of vehicle is simply that which does not fall into the category as described above. What defines a vehicle as being new or nearly new is a matter of some debate, but in a general sense it is likely to be a car that is 2 or 3 years old up to a car can be 20 or 30 years old. The newer the car, the less likely it is to need a vehicle inspection as required by statute. Having said that, the distinction as to whether a vehicle needs a vehicle inspection by law or not does varies hugely, so it is well worth checking what the legal requirement is where you live or where the vehicle is going to be used. Even cars that are not new will quite often have some type of warranty, either that offered by a dealership or by an insurance company. The option of being able to buy a warranty by an insurance company is becoming increasingly common nowadays, and is sometimes offered as an extension of a person's car insurance. Obviously, the terms and the cost of such warranty do vary hugely, and you will need to have your car inspected prior to the insurance company granting you such cover. Such cover in terms of extending warranties is normally fairly pricey, but like most types of insurance, its real benefit is in supposedly giving you freedom from worry. Such peace of mind exists when you don't have to make a claim, but is quite often tested if you do have to. If your vehicle does require a vehicle inspection by law, then be aware of how long the inspection is valid for, what testing stations are available to carry out such inspection, and limitations of what it might mean not have one. Whilst it is unlikely that you would deliberately not have a vehicle inspection, it is quite likely that some people will simply forget or not realize that the vehicle is due to have inspection on a particular date. The implications of this, aside from being a breaking of a law, can also relate to the person's car insurance. It may well be that the car insurance is dependent upon the vehicle inspection being carried out and the vehicle passing such vehicle inspection. Most vehicle inspections as required by law are pretty basic inspections and normally have one aim in mind, which is to verify that the vehicle is effectively in a roadworthy condition. To this end, the inspection will check things like tires, oil levels and various mechanical and structural elements of the vehicle. These types of vehicle inspections are not the same as an inspection that needs to be carried out or should be carried out of vehicle prior to buying it. That type of inspection is one that is designed to give you some relief that there is nothing inherently wrong with the vehicle and that it is okay to buy it without fear of its going dramatically wrong immediately after you bought it. A legal vehicle inspection is normally pretty basic and is designed to assess certain core safety elements of a vehicle and make sure it is safe to drive on the road. Peter Main is a freelance writer who has spent almost 20 years in the insurance industry, working at Lloyd's of London. He writes extensively about car insurance and in particular about how the various factors that affect car safety also have an impact on people's car insurance costs.